Yeah. So hi Greg. Disappointing result for us today. But what was your main? What would you say is your comment on the particular game today?
What, sorry?
What would be your thoughts on the game today?
I think that both teams had spells, and I think that when we were at our first spell in the first half, we didn't score. We had a few chances, didn't score, and then obviously they get the goal. It's like football, switch off for 1 second, and we got punished. Probably they didn't, and then we get back in the game. I think we're on top when we get back in the game. We're playing better football. We need to obviously get goals then, and the same thing. You know, we don't score our chances, and then we switch off for a second, and they get the goal. It's disappointing, especially the time in the game they scored. It's disappointing.
All right. So going into the next leg, that would be in Canada. They would have an advantage now, especially with the home goal advantage. What would be the team's mindset, or especially your mindset, going into the next game?
We know we have to score goals, and we know that we have to obviously stay focused and not concede. I think that we know now what to expect from them, which is a big advantage for us. And I think that, like I said, with spells in the game, we had spells where we were better, so I think we can take confidence going into the next game.
Awesome. So I do want to say thanks. What would you want to say to the fans that came out this early Saturday morning? What would you want to say to them?
I really appreciate it. We feel every moment with them, and yeah, we just wanted to say thank you.
All right, there was a particular moment in the game when we scored and the referee called it offside. When you heard the fans chanting VAR. That's the first time, being here, that's the first time I've seen Jamaican fans so collective together. What was your thoughts about that at that time?
That was big, man. It was big passion, and I think that they wanted to see us score. They willed the ball in the net, and then I think that we feel it on the pitch. And the coach is saying when he was going to VAR, is like whatever happens, they're with us and we keep going. So I think we feel that, and it's nice.
All right, thanks much, Greg, and thanks again. Enjoy the rest of the day.